Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer coupon tracking to Honey via affiliate programs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Honey account. Navigate to your dashboard. Locate the affiliate program section within your account. Select the option to add or transfer coupons. Choose the affiliate programs you want to track coupons from. Follow the prompts to connect your affiliate accounts to Honey. Ensure you authorize Honey to access coupon data from these programs. Once authorized, go back to the coupon section in Honey. Click on the option to import or sync coupons. Review the list of available coupons from your chosen affiliate programs. Select the coupons you want to track. Confirm your selection and proceed to transfer. Monitor the progress of the transfer in your dashboard. Once completed, check for any errors or issues. If errors appear, follow the troubleshooting steps provided. After successful transfer, test the coupons to ensure they are functioning. Keep your Honey account updated with any new affiliate programs as needed. Regularly review your tracking metrics for performance insights. Adjust your strategy based on the performance data received. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.